Today we'll be installing a new solution for the 2008 to 2012 Toyota Highlander with factory navigation, the 99-8274B. A winning combination of the 99-8222 kit and Metra's new factory replacement assembly panel and harness. This sleek-looking stereo installation kit is designed to cover the Toyota Highlander's navigation applications. After installing the 99-8222 kit, simply plug in the harness and snap in the new panel with airbag indicator, hazard button, and security system light in the open space. After, test the panel buttons for functionality. Reassemble the dash in reverse order of disassembly to complete the installation, making all the proper connections. Visit us at metraonline.com or accessinterface.com for antenna adapters, audio video, and steering wheel control interface options. For any more information on this product or other products like this one, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, or follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 Volt.